Well guys, we're down at the lake, going to be doing a 48-hour session. Just got set up and hopefully we can get a couple. Well, Stan's just had a lovely tench. £4. Let's see the release on him. And off he goes. Just landed one, lovely common.
Lovely, 19 on the dot.
19 on the nose.
Common. Been smashing it. He's had his first one. I just had a bream. Snotty old bream. And there he is. Off he goes. Into the darkness. He may be caught again.
Look at that fish. What a pristina. That's mega.
Why does he come back? No, he ain't going for my shit, is he? Could you imagine? Is this one?
Chill, he's tired. Fighting him for like 10 minutes I was.
He's just gone straight.
He's tired. And off he goes.
I'm surprised the bream ain't like that.
So it's an 18 dead with 21, and that weighs 2-1. That's an 18 pounder.
Yeah, 18.
Dislocated back.
Are you filming?
Yeah, I'm filming. Release.
Wait, where's his head?
His head is. His backside
Yeah,
there.
that's
his head. Okay. Here we go. Right, see him off. Goodbye.
Jesus Christ, mate. This guy got to learn how to swim.
Oh, mate.
You're safe. Come on, bro. There you go.
Go on. Move.
Someone's nicked your bike.
Oh, mate. So just give him a little push. Just send
Let
him
him
up.
go, let him go. Lovely fish.
Off he goes. Lovely 18. Again, literally just put one back.
1 minute after.
Go literally a minute after. Other one goes screaming. Just get a release on this bad boy. And off he goes. What a tank.
On the zig, 10-foot zig.
10-foot zig. Hopefully you can get another one. Come on, Callum.
Lovely session using urban bait. Had two 18-pound mirrors and a 19-pound common. Just about to bring the rods in, then I'll be off heading home. Me, Stanley, his dad, and his dad's friend done a competition. Stanley's dad came first with £24 being the biggest fish. I came second with £19. Stanley came third with £16. And Stanley's dad's mate came last with £0, but he only done one night. Alright guys, see you next time. Have a good week.